My name is Sue Mccallum. When I'm not with my family, I am either camping or reading or working out in my gardens. I basically work front desk at Facial Beauty Dental. I look into all your benefits and help you utilize those benefits with any treatment you'd like here. I chose this as a career because the first thing I see with people is their smile. I think a lot of times the smile, the teeth, affect people's confidence. So if you can give them that confidence, then to me, their life is better. But most important is helping the patient with getting what they need, helping the patient with their insurance and understanding their insurance. That's what I like about working at Facial Beauty Dental. Come visit us at Facial Beauty Dental, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.